And questions over the efficiency of thermal guns continue to emerge, and increasing community transmission of the novel coronavirus. 90% of infections in the country are asymptomatic, which means that a majority will have normal body temperatures but may still be super spreaders. As of today, 515 people tested positive for COVID-19, with 7 additional deaths registered within the same period. Here now is Elfas Lagat with the details.
Over the past 5 months, thermal guns have become critical gadgets and a last line of defense to access public installations, supermarkets, government ministries and parastatals, houses of worship and corporate entities, all of them testing body temperature before one is allowed access. Fever is one of the main symptoms of the contagious novel coronavirus. However, the efficacy of the temperature guns is in doubt, given that 90% of Kenyans are asymptomatic and tend to show no signs of the virus, often exhibiting temperature levels considered normal.
It may be that sometimes the use of a thermal gun might not be able to pick up a positive case.
So the surface temperature, there are also other things, environmental effects that can change it or can affect it. For example, if it is too hot, it is sunny. If you are in a vehicle, your temperature might be higher than the person who is outside the vehicle when it is sunny.
Health authorities, however, insist that thermal guns still have considerable utility, especially in key installations. The Ministry of Health has expressed concern yet again at the decline in the number of Kenyans seeking medical attention since the pandemic was confirmed in the country. The number of surgeries has significantly dropped, with more Kenyans opting to keep away from hospital. The Ministry of Health now urging Kenyans to seek help, especially with urgent surgery, as the COVID-19 test would not be necessary on condition of safety measures being adopted.
These services are essential and form part of essential health services in the country, and we'd like to remind all Kenyans that these services continue to be available throughout this COVID-19 period.
515 people tested positive today from a sample size of 6,353, while 7 patients succumbed to the virus within the same period, taking the death toll to 472. 672 patients recovered, with the tally of recoveries as of today standing at 15,970 since the outbreak of the pandemic. The health sector in the capital still remains at a crossroad as doctors remain adamant over their grievances. KMPDU issued a 1-week strike notice on Friday. There has been no movement on the issues raised yet. For the last couple of months, thermal guns have become the first line of screening in the country. And while it may not be fully effective in picking out a COVID-19 case, Minister of Health insists that its importance cannot be overruled. Elfas Lagat, Citizen TV, Nairobi.